smash like.
Hey guys, welcome to Sam's Hook and Tackle, the ultimate tackle solution. So we're just going to jump right into it. Today I wanted to talk about this new product that I'm making. It's a 3-lure box, hook protectors on the hooks, 3 different colors. Totally cool. And you definitely shouldn't miss out. You should have one too. Yes, you should. Hit that like, smash that subscribe button. You won't regret it. One last thing before I go though. You guys are awesome and I appreciate you watching my channel. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. If you don't, you'd be a damn fool. Yup.